Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove text box border in Microsoft Excel. So guys, as we can see, we have this text box and this is the border. I will show you from start. So insert and select text box and draw your text box. Now insert your text, make your desired size. So we can see now we have this text box and its border. So to remove this text box border, double click on this border and click on shape format, and here the option shape outline. So select no outline and click anyway. So this way you can remove this border. And like you have this border, you can see properly now, and you want to remove this border. So double click on it and shape format, shape outline, and here select no outline and click anyway. Another way, right click on it and in the last option format shape, click on it, and here you have to select no fill. You want to remove background white color, and in the line select no line and click anyway. And that's it. So thanks for watching.